The final thing that we want to show you in this Getting Started guide is how do you listen to media, whether it be music or online radio, Pandora if you're inside the United States. The BT Speak has you covered. So we're still in the top level of the options menu. We want to actually go up to Applications, which we haven't really explored yet. So let's press A to go into Applications.
Applications menu, opened.
And that gives us a listing of some categories that are available here.
Personal, shortcut is P.
The Personal menu is where you will find the calendar, the phone book, and the voice notes recorder.
Media, shortcut is M.
Media, this is the menu that we want. We'll get back here in a moment, but this is where you have your media controls to play or pause, go back and forth, turn volume up and down, all that good stuff, as well as accessing the media browser, the radio tuner, and Pandora, again, if you are in the United States. Space again.
Reference, shortcut is R.
Reference is where you will find the online dictionary as well as the utility to look up the weather.
Web, shortcut is W.
Web is where you will find a few options, including the application for ChatGPT, which is called AI Chat, as well as some utilities to search the web and a basic text web browser. If you want to really do a lot of web-based operations, you're going to be better off using desktop mode, which is not going to be covered in this guide, but it will in a separate topic.
Specialized, shortcut is S.
And then we have Specialized, which holds the applications for BT Learn. That's the Braille training tutorial application that's included. A program to play Morse code. You can type some characters and hear what they sound like in Morse code if you're so inclined. And an application to read the King James Bible. And finally, we have
Games, shortcut is G.
We have some games installed. There's Blackjack, there's Hangman, and a few other classic text adventure type games that have been around for many decades. It seemed like a good idea to include them on the BT Speak. So those are the applications that are pre-installed here on the traditional mode side, which is what we've been exploring today. Let's go back to Media.
Personal, shortcut, Media, shortcut is M.
Here's Media. Press Enter.
Media Applications menu, opened.
And I want to go down to the Radio Tuner.
Media Controls, Media Files, Radio Tuner, shortcut is R.
Press Enter here.
Radio Tuner menu, opened. Listen to a station, prompts for its name, shortcut is L. Browse stations by location, shortcut is B. Favorite stations, shortcut is F. Blindness community stations, shortcut is C. Refresh the station database, takes a while, shortcut is R. Listen to a station, prompts for its name, shortcut is L.
So we've got a few options here. If you know the name of the station you want to listen to, you can try typing it in here. You can also browse by your location, or you can look through some preset stations. The BT Speak includes links to online radio stations that are owned and operated by the blind. So if you have a blindness radio station favorite, it may already be available here on the BT Speak. If it's not, let Blazy Technologies know, and that can be remedied. Once you find a station that you like, you can also add it to your favorites, and then you don't have to go look for it again. All you have to do is bring up your favorites and browse straight to it. So let's listen to a station with L.
Enter the station's name.
The station that I want to listen to is Antioch Old Time Radio out of Antioch, Illinois. I can never remember how to spell Antioch, so I'm going to type OTR into the search.
O-T-R.
And press .8.
Station index, OTR, opened.
All right, so here's a station index of anything that matched OTR. So let's go see if we can find it. I'm going to do space.
1940s Radio Home Service UK 1940s
Nope.
19 America's OTR Gunsmoke. Antioch OTR.
There's Antioch OTR. It's the station I want. All right, so before I press enter, I want to tell you how you can immediately pause a station if something happens to be too loud and you get disoriented and can't hear your speech. You can use .1, 2, 5, 6 chord or an OU chord. We might not need to do that. I don't remember where I had my media volume set, But if yours is really loud and you need to pause whatever you're listening to, now you know how to do it ahead of time. So we are on Antioch OTR. I'm going to press enter to start playing it.
Stream actions. Antioch OTR. Open.
And here's the end of an episode of Suspense. Wonderful.
Suspense is produced and directed by Anthony Ellis. Tonight's script was written by Larry Marcus.
Good for them. All right, so I just did the dots 1, 2, 5, 6 chord to pause. We're now in a menu of actions we can take about the current stream. So let's see what we got. Spacebar.
Decrease the media volume. Shortcut is.
All right, so we don't hear the shortcut name again. This is because Vocalizer doesn't automatically speak punctuation marks. But the shortcut in this case is the left parenthesis in Computer Braille. That's dots 1, 2, 3, 5, 6.
Increase the media volume. Shortcut is.
The shortcut for increasing the volume is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or the right parenthesis.
Pause, resume this stream. Shortcut is P.
So we can pause or resume, which is P.
Metadata for this stream. Shortcut is M.
We can see the metadata. Basically, if the streaming provider gives information about, say, the title of a song or the artist, any of that kind of stuff, you'll be able to view that here.
Description of this stream. Shortcut is D.
You can get a description of the stream if one's been provided.
Add to favorites. Shortcut is A.
Add to favorites. Shortcut is A.
Remove from favorites. Shortcut is R.
Shortcut is R to remove from favorites.
Vote for this station at Radio Browser Info. Shortcut is V.
So you can vote for the station at radio-browser.info. That is the service we're using to collect the addresses of these streams. As part of that, if you like a station and you want to vote for it, you can do that straight from your BT Speak.
Decrease the media volume. Shortcut is.
And now we've wrapped back around to decrease media volume. So let's go ahead and hit P to resume playback. And I'm going to turn the volume down just a little bit more.
Pause, resume this stream. Shortcut is P.
So I'm going to do left parentheses, dots 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 a few times.
Decrease the left, decrease the media volume. Short.
Now you can hear it's much quieter than it was. We can turn it back up a little bit.
Increase the media.
Right parenthesis.
Pause, resume this stream.
And
Shortcut is P.
And we paused the stream with P in this case. So what's nice about this is you don't have to stay in the media browser to listen to something. You can be anywhere else in the system. So if I wanted to turn on some music, listen to some old-time radio or the news or whatever, I can do that and then go back to whatever else I want to do with my BT Speak and just have this going in the background. The final thing I want to do here is I don't want to have to keep searching for Antioch OTR anytime I want to listen to it. I want to just add this to my favorites. So let's hit A.
Add to favorite. Already a favorite station.
And what do you know? I outsmarted myself. I added this already when I tested this feature a few weeks back. But if it weren't in my favorites, it would be now.
Add to favorites. Shortcut is A.
And if for some reason I decide I want to remove it, I can hit R.
Removed from favorites.
And now it's gone. Press enter.
Removed from favorites. Shortcut is R.
But I want to add it back.
Add to favorite. Station added to favorites.
And there we go.
Add to favorites. Shortcut is A.
And I'm pressing enter to dismiss those particular prompts. So let's go up a level here with Z chord.
Antioch OTR.
Z chord again.
Listen to a station. Prompts for its name.
Okay, so
shortcut is L.
Now we are back in the main radio browser menu. I can hit F to go straight to anything I've marked as a favorite.
Favorites. Favorite radio stations. Opened. Antioch OTR. Shortcut is A.
Antioch OTR is the only thing in here at the moment. So if I press enter.
Stream actions. Antioch OTR. Opened.
And there we go. The station's playing. They play classical music in between shows to fill time in case there might have otherwise been dead air.
Pause, resume this stream.
And we
Shortcut
paused.
is P.
the stream with P. All right, we're going to go back to the editor. I don't want to back out through all of the options, so I'm going to use our Deep Escape shortcut with Z7 chord.
Welcome screen is open.
And here we are back in the welcome screen.